Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about function in Python. A function is a self-contained block of one or more statements that perform a special task when called. The syntax for the Python function contain header and body. The function header begin with def keyword. The def keyword signifies the beginning of the function's definition. The name of the function is followed by the def keyword. The function header may contain 0 or more number of parameters. These parameters are called formal parameters. If a function contains more than one parameter, then all the parameters are separated by commas. A function body is a block of statement. The statement within the function body define the action that the function need to be performed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for this kind of video.